Got a Spocket Store and dreaming of a tidal wave of authentic, buzz-generating content that practically sells your products for you? What if I told you there's a goldmine of genuine reviews, stunning visuals, and relatable stories just waiting to be tapped? And it doesn't involve expensive photo shoots or hiring a whole marketing team. You see, in the world of e-commerce, especially with dropshipping, trust is the ultimate currency. And nothing builds trust faster and more effectively than user-generated content, or UGC. Think about it. When you're scrolling through an online store, are you more convinced by a perfectly lit professional product shot or by a real person in their own home genuinely using and loving the product? The answer is almost always the latter. UGC isn't just about pretty pictures. It's about social proof, authenticity, and building a community around your brand. It's about leveraging the power of your existing customers to become your most effective marketers. So, how do you go from wanting UGC to actually having a consistent stream of it for your Spocket Store? It might seem daunting, especially if you're just starting out or running a lean operation. But the truth is, it's far more accessible and impactful than you might imagine. We're going to break down the exact strategies and tactics you can implement, starting today, to unlock the power of UGC and watch your Spocket Store thrive. The first and arguably most effective strategy for getting UGC for your Spocket Store is to simply ask for it. This might sound obvious, but many store owners overlook the power of a direct, polite request. When a customer makes a purchase, that's your prime opportunity. Send a follow-up email a few days after delivery, expressing gratitude for their order and gently inviting them to share their experience. Make it easy for them. Provide clear instructions. We'd love to see how you're enjoying your new product name. Snap a photo or video and tag us on Instagram at your store handle. Or simply reply to this email with your thoughts. You can even offer a small incentive like a discount on their next purchase for their participation. This incentivization doesn't have to break the bank. Even 5 to 10% off can be a powerful motivator. Remember, people love to share their experiences, especially when they feel appreciated and their feedback is valued. Beyond direct requests, fostering a community around your brand is crucial. Engage with your audience on social media consistently. Post questions, run polls, and encourage comments. The more your followers feel like they're part of a conversation, the more likely they are to share their experiences with your products. Actively search for mentions of your brand or products. If someone has already posted about your item, reach out to them and ask for permission to repost their content. Always, and I mean always, give credit where credit is due. A simple regram from @user handle, "Thanks for sharing," goes a long way in building goodwill and encouraging others to share. Next, consider implementing a product review system directly on your Spocket Store. While Spocket integrates with various review apps, make sure you're actively encouraging customers to leave reviews. After a purchase, trigger an automated email prompting them to rate and review the product. The more positive reviews you accumulate, the more social proof you build. And these reviews are a treasure trove of potential UGC. Often, customers will upload photos along with their reviews, which you can then leverage, with permission, of course, for your social media or product pages. Don't shy away from negative reviews either. They offer valuable insights and an opportunity to demonstrate your commitment to customer service. Another powerful tactic is to run contests or giveaways that require UGC as an entry. For example, post a photo or video of you using our product name and tag us for a chance to win a $50 gift card. This not only generates a ton of content, but also creates excitement and buzz around your brand. Be clear about the rules, the prize, and how winners will be chosen. The key here is to make the barrier to entry low enough that a lot of people will participate, but valuable enough that they'll put in a little effort. Think about collaborating with micro-influencers or brand ambassadors. These aren't the mega celebrities with millions of followers, but rather individuals with a smaller, highly engaged audience who genuinely love your products. You can offer them free products in exchange for honest reviews and content. Spocket's integration with various influencer marketing platforms can also help you connect with relevant individuals. The authenticity of micro-influencers often resonates more deeply with their audience than polished celebrity endorsements. Look for people whose aesthetic aligns with your brand and whose followers would genuinely be interested in your products. Don't forget the power of unboxing videos. These are incredibly popular on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. Encourage your customers to film their unboxing experience. You can even include a small card in your packaging with a QR code leading to instructions on how to create an unboxing video and what to include. Make the packaging itself exciting and visually appealing. A great unboxing experience naturally encourages sharing. Finally, always be on the lookout for organic UGC. Sometimes, people will share their experiences without any prompting. Monitor relevant hashtags, check your mentions, and use tools to track brand mentions across social media. When you find these gems, celebrate them. Repost, comment, and show genuine appreciation. This reinforces the idea that you value your customers and their contributions, creating a positive feedback loop that encourages even more sharing. The beauty of UGC for Your Spocket Store is its inherent authenticity. It's real people, real experiences, and real products. It cuts through the noise of traditional advertising and speaks directly to potential customers in a language they trust. It's cost-effective, scalable, and incredibly powerful for building brand loyalty and driving sales. By implementing these strategies, asking directly, fostering community, leveraging review systems, running contests, collaborating with micro-influencers, encouraging unboxing videos, and actively seeking organic content, you'll be well on your way to transforming your customers into your most enthusiastic marketing team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.